Are you too nervous to talk to new people? Don't you worry, because I'm about to tell you how to overcome that nervousness. Stay tuned. What's going on, bucks and those? This is Taiki and welcome to ShishiGoat. I am a Japanese who loves animals and nature, and also keen on helping people have happier lives. Make sure to subscribe to join the herd and hit that bell to stay tuned. I am aiming at 100 subscribers by the end of October, so I would be really appreciate if you could do so. Thank you. Okay, let's begin. I want you to understand the nervousness you have when meeting someone for the first time is completely normal. Because we are not programmed to be comfortable. Because we're not programmed to be comfortable when talking to someone, because remember that our ancestors didn't have to interact with outsiders often. They didn't have to care about meeting other people, strangers. They didn't have to interact with others because they only had to talk within their groups to survive. But unfortunately, this program has been passed on to us, but we can try making it more comfortable or less uncomfortable talking to strangers. How? You might ask. You just have to give them a good impression of you. Now, how can you give that good impression to them? Now I want you to do these 3 things. Number 1, talk about someone else and say good things about them. According to research in Ohio University, people who say good things about other people tend to be liked or have an easier life, building a close relationship. It is also true that people who talk ill of others are more likely to be hated or have a hard time building a relationship. Pick someone you and the other people know and talk about them in a positive tone, if that makes sense. It can be your mutual friend or a colleague in your company. Number 2, ask about a recent event that person you're talking to have, either negative or positive, and ask them how happy they are. This technique is called 2-question technique, and according to research in Harvard University, it is proven to be a good factor to have a good impression. Why is this effective? Because talking about yourself is going to make you as happy as when you get paid or eat something good. 3. I talked about gist of this in a video up here, but mimic what the person is saying. This technique is called mimicking, and I want you to just repeat what they say. For instance, I say, working out is good for your brain, and you reply with, working out is good for your brain? If you come up with the following question, such as, that's very interesting, why is it good for your brain if you work out? You would have a better impression because keeping the conversation alive reduces anxiety. Plus, good thing about this technique is it doesn't require any conversational skills or any communication skills at all. Final thing, I want you to remember that some people say it is how much you talk is going to make you attractive, but it's actually how well you can listen is what makes you very attractive. Good news is about this one is because you don't need anything like any sarcastic sense, any sense of humor. You don't have to come up with funny jokes. You just have to be a good listener to create a close relationship with people. And this technique will get you some connections. Try this out, it's free. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to join the herd and hit that bell to stay tuned. And I will see you in the next one. Until next time.